इन मैम
Jahan,
कैडेट सार्थक तलाटे इंटरव्यू के लिए हाजिर है
please be seated. How are you feeling today?
मैम pretty good.
As per your PIQ form, it mentions that you belong to Pune.
Yes ma'am.
Your permanent residence is Pune.
Yes ma'am.
Alright. Tell me about your place of permanent residence.
So ma'am, Pune, which is a district in Maharashtra, ma'am, it is also known as the Oxford of East because ma'am, it is very famous for its educational institutions like the old Pune University, then ma'am, the Ferguson College, and ma'am, talking about Pune, Pune is also nowadays growing as IT hub, and for many MNCs, the multinational companies providing opportunities to the youth. So, ma'am, Pune's population majorly consists of youth, and talking about its geographic point of view, ma'am, I guess Pune is the best place for living, as ma'am, it is, ma'am, it is the place where you can find the balance of nature, not only of nature but also the best metropolitan city we can say, ma'am, Pune is right now in India. And ma'am, talking about the culture is broadly shared between the Marathis and Gujarati people in Pune majorly.
So the atmosphere there, the culture is nice. Actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving ahead, you are from Air Force family, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How does that influence your personality?
Ma'am, being part of Air Force family, it has groomed me so nicely, not only in thinking but also looking into things with broader perspective. Like, ma'am, I have seen my father always. He is very multi-talented. Like, Air Force has provided him much opportunities, and I also want to grab all those opportunities that I want to pursue in my life.
So is your dad your motivation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about yourself in detail, which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not mentioned in your PIQ form.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Cadet Sarthak Trate, and I represent the 29 UK Battalion from Dehradun Group for the Best Cadet and the Youth Exchange Program right now. And ma'am, I have completed my secondary level of education and senior secondary level of education from Kendra Vidyalay, Air Force Station, Jorhat, Assam, with 83.4 percentage in my class 10th and 91.2 percentage in my class 10th and 83.4 percentage in my class 12 in PCM stream with computer science. And ma'am, talking about my graduation, I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Graphic Era deemed to be University Dehradun with 8.1 CGPA in my first year, and currently I am a second year student.
Sarthak, I'll cut you short because I mentioned here which is not mentioned in your PIQ form.
Yes, ma'am.
So these all things are mentioned in your PIQ form, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So something more I want to hear from you.
Ma'am, I have been brought up in multiple cities of India as being brought up in an Air Force family. My father had postings in every 5 years. So I have been brought up in Agra, and ma'am, then Pune, then Delhi, then Assam, and right now in Dehradun.
Which city you like the most amongst them?
Ma'am, I like Dehradun most.
Why so?
Ma'am, because of the humble nature of people here, and as I am pursuing BTech right now, and I guess that like I can think more of this place instead of my previous places as I was a child then, and during those days I was just busy in my playing, then ma'am, other stuffs.
Okay. Your schooling was from Assam,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then further now you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of your father's occupation, you must have been placed at different places along
Yes,
with
ma'am.
them. Must have been moving.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you must be missing your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you manage that? Are you still in touch with them?
Yes, ma'am. I'm still in touch with them. Ma'am, many of my friends from Assam have also moved different places like Prayagraj, some Bangalore. So we had video chat every week, once in a Sunday or Saturday, whenever we are free.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is all? Only through video chats you make that friendship stay alive?
Well, not only, ma'am, through video chats, but yeah, we also have one our WhatsApp group where we do gossiping, and not only gossiping, but we share same future with each other. Like we all hope for the same occupations and which we want to pursue in future.
Okay.
So we share the stuff like that also, where we can do something productive.
Now tell me, what was the last time you felt socially uncomfortable? and why?
Ma'am, socially uncomfortable. Ma'am, when I joined the inter-unit competition camp of RDC 2026
Okay.
this year only.
Why?
Ma'am, because this was the first time that I was going to have such a big camp, and yeah, there were my buddies from my unit and my college only. But still, ma'am, it was the first time like when I was having 10 days apart from my family, my friends, my college friends. So
Was it the competition that was troubling you?
no, ma'am, not that competition, but the camp.
Camp itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you felt you missed your family that time.
Yes, ma'am.
Homesick. Is it so?
Ma'am, not miss, but I have never, ma'am, like 10 days for me. It was the first time that.
Because in your PIQ it's mentioned you've been a day scholar all the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you manage your life if you join armed forces? There you'll have to stay at field postings also.
Yes, ma'am.
Away
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your family. How will you manage that?
Ma'am, that is why I joined NCC so that these camps will get me ready for such things ahead in my life.
How much do you love your parents?
Very much.
Have you ever lied to them?
Like I have been grateful and showed gratitude to them, but not in that manner that actually depicts that I am loving them directly, like I love you and so.
Okay, I'll rephrase my question. Have you ever lied to your parents in life?
Okay.
Like
Pardon,
saying
ma'am.
lies.
Actually, I thought you like you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Have you ever?
No, ma'am.
No, not till now.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what complaint has your mother made about you at home? Does she complains?
Yes, ma'am.
What are these complaints?
Ma'am, her complaints are like I do sort of study only in my smartphone. Like, yeah, I am interested in books, but ma'am, generally nowadays we all are getting social. So she always says to me that you are always sort of looking into your phones and not communicating with us, like uh, sharing your problems and so. Her major complaint is like, why don't you share your problems with us?
You won't share.
Ma'am, I do share,
Okay.
but more with my father.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There'll be rapid fire questions coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen to them. There'll be around 8, 9. Okay. Try to answer these questions in the same sequence. Which
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking. First is just keep listening. Don't have to react to every question till the time I ask you to at the end.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
First is name the school or college you attended from 10th to graduation,
Yes,
maybe till
ma'am.
now. Why did you choose PCM in 12th?
Yes, ma'am.
Which subjects were your strongest
Yes,
and
ma'am.
weakest? Why did you think your percentage dropped from 91.2 to 83.4
Yes,
in
ma'am.
12th? What improvements did you bring after entering graduation?
Yes, ma'am.
Which teacher had the maximum influence on you and how?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any academic backlogs?
Yes, ma'am.
What project of assignments are you proud of, which you have done on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you plan to use your science background after joining armed forces?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can answer.
So, ma'am, first, regarding the first question, I have completed my 10th and 12th from Kendra Vidyalaya, A4 Station, Jorhat, Assam. And, ma'am, I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Graphic Era, deemed to be university. Then, ma'am, talking about the gradual decrement in the percentage of my class 10th and 12th. Ma'am, after my class 10th, I showed my leniency in more in co-curricular activities, like participating in basketball tournaments, then regional sports meet, and ma'am, also co-curricular activities like dance competitions and rangoli making competitions. Then, ma'am, the strongest subject that I believe I was having during my schooling is, ma'am, physics, because, ma'am, physics was the subject. Our teacher was actually more interesting than other subjects, and, ma'am, the weakest subject that I do believe was Hindi in class 10th. And, ma'am, I am forgetting the question.
It's fine. Even if you forget the sequence, it's for everyone. Whatever question you remember in the end, try to answer that. Okay? And at the end, God forbid if you forget also, you can ask your interviewing officer
Yes,
politely. Okay, it's no shame as such, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I asked you about your teacher who had maximum influence on you,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can name her or him or her also.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the name?
Ma'am, his name is Mr. Anurag Datta. Yes, ma'am.
And what quality in him you like the most?
Ma'am, as compared to other teachers, he was like sort of frank with us, and he also shared his personal experiences during his schooling and during his college, like the days that he shared his memories with his friends, all the things he used to tell us. He used to he wants us to learn from his experience, but none other teacher done so. Other teachers used to come and teach just only, and but he was a kind of teacher who actually was teaching the students not only the academics but about life and from his personal experiences.
Okay. So this one question which is important you missed, which was how do you plan to use your science background
Yes, ma'am.
in the armed forces when you join?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, being a student of computer science, so ma'am, today we all are seeing that, ma'am, the world is shifting more towards and inclining towards more in artificial and intelligence. So, ma'am, I hold a specialization artificial intelligence and machine learning in my computer science and engineering degree. So, ma'am, I think that in future I will use what I can do in field of AI agents particularly. Like AI agents are growing more in contributing more, not only in spying but also, ma'am, future I think the war will be done only with AI agents only, not
Are you
with the
hinting
manuals.
towards cyber warfare?
Yes, ma'am.
So do they teach all that aspect also in
No,
your
ma'am.
graduation?
No, ma'am. Not right now because, ma'am, being a second year student, right now only basics we are learning the fundamentals. So after fundamentals, we can do it from our own, but not, ma'am, these type of things we are actually taught in college. Cyber warfare also.
Understood. There's another set of CIP, which is a rapid fire round
Yes, ma'am.
based on your NCC background.
Yes, ma'am.
So hear it carefully. Which unit and battalion do you belong to?
Yes, ma'am.
What responsibilities did you hold in NCC?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you learn from the camp you attended? I
Yes,
believe
ma'am.
only one camp you attended
Yes, ma'am.
till now. What OLQs did you display during this camp?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you join NCC?
Yes, ma'am.
How is the Air Force background helping you in your day-to-day NCC activities?
Yes, ma'am.
And what improvements do you need to bring in yourself for a better future ahead?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, during my junior division, as I was in junior division also during my schooling, I have done my junior division from 9 Assam Battalion, Assam, and right now being a senior division cadet, I am from 29 Uttarakhand Battalion and a cadet of 29 Uttarakhand Battalion, Dehradun. And, ma'am, what I have learned from this camp till now is about the participation in most activities that you can do as a best cadet and YP cadet. So you have to flourish yourself in uh, most events that you are going to see. Like in cultural, you have to participate. In master of ceremony, you have to participate. In flag area, you have to participate. Wherever you can spread your hands, grab opportunities, you have to do it. And, ma'am, the OLQ that I have applied in this camp is about being collaborative. Like after getting collaborative, you can make friends, and not only friends, they can share their experience with you. You can share your experience with them, and with that we can learn hand in hand with each other.
Okay. What about other questions?
Yes, ma'am. May I get some time to, ma'am,
Yeah, sure.
reminisce them? Ma'am, being from an Air Force background, ma'am, in the camps I have applied that how the defense works, not only the defense work, but how we can interact with defense personals. We how to respect the hierarchy. Uh, that's what I have learned from the background.
And what improvements do you see in yourself? Or think you'll be doing ahead?
Ma'am, till now the improvements in what I can see from this camp is I can flourish more, not only thinking but ma'am, expressing my views and opinions because before camp I was sort of underconfident in expressing my views and opinions, but kind of I am now confident.
So there's another rapid fire round which goes for your basketball and athletics activities which you have mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Hobbies.
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is. Here it goes. When did you start playing basketball?
Yes, ma'am.
What positions do you play?
Yes, ma'am.
What qualities does a good basketball captain require?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about your gold medals in year 2022 and 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Why were you the second runner-up in college?
Yes, ma'am.
You could have been first.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about your athletics achievement
Yes, ma'am.
in 800 meters and 1500 meters sprint.
Yes, ma'am.
Which event do you enjoy most?
Yes, ma'am.
Basketball or
Or
athletics? Were you ever injured in that while playing? And what did you learn as a school sports captain?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, regarding the first question, ma'am, I have represented our college, not college, our school team in the inter-school basketball tournament in the DBS. Ma'am, that is the Dehradun Public. Sorry, ma'am, I'm stammering. Ma'am, it was not DBS, it was Delhi Public School. Sorry, ma'am, it was Delhi Public School, Jorhat, Assam. DPS Jorhat, and ma'am, there we had the inter-school basketball tournament. Ma'am, at that time, ma'am, before that, I was in the Air Force campus. I saw many children playing basketball, and that gave some sort of interest for me too, that I should also join them. And from then, ma'am, I started to play basketball, and after that, I joined my school's team also. And then, yes, ma'am, I played basketball, and we brought first position in that. And pardon, ma'am.
Remember, whenever I'm giving a rapid fire round, how you're supposed to remember that? Do not keep whole of the sentences in your mind. Okay? It will clutter up. Remember only in point form. When I say, when did you start playing basketball? Remember when. Right? Second, what positions do you play? Remember positions. Okay? Third, what qualities does a good basketball player has or a captain requires? Okay? Qualities. Okay? If you remember keywords, you will not forget the sequence. There is very less probability you forget these. But if you remember the sentences, you might forget.
Yes,
Okay? Not only the sequence, you might forget the question as a whole.
yes,
Okay? So keep that in mind. I'm here for your training only.
Yes,
Okay? This is just a learning. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I asked you about your injuries. Was there any major injury you saw?
No, ma'am.
Had?
No, ma'am, never.
Never. So that means you must be warming up and cooling down at the end of the game.
Yes, ma'am.
Does it happen with everyone?
Not with everyone, but ma'am, sometimes they like ma'am, someone's foot get injured during playing. So ma'am, for that we usually do ma'am normally stretching before and after play. But ma'am, many a times it never happened.
And as a captain, what extra qualities you had?
Ma'am, during that time, as a school sports captain, ma'am, I have represented my school in not only in basketball that time, but also in athletics. And athletics is my favorite sport, ma'am. So, ma'am, my active participation in sports activities made me not only in athletics, but also in team event where I can collaborate with each and everyone. I have gathered players from different sections. So, ma'am, that showed my collaborative nature and active participation in sports. So, ma'am, that shows why should I get a chance to be sports captain.
And do you ever lose temper while playing? And if it happened, when was it the last one?
Yes, ma'am, it happened. Ma'am, the last time I remember in the interdepartmental basketball tournament.
Okay.
So, ma'am, we have represented our BTech team, and ma'am, in our team while we were playing. So, ma'am, we told our players, our teammates, to stick to their positions. Like if the opponent team is having ball, so just be in a defensive position so that we can tackle them. But ma'am, many a times it happened like one or two players were not responding positively, So yes, ma'am. Not only mine, but other team members were also getting angry over them for the reason.
Okay. And how did you tackle that after the game?
Ma'am, not after that game, but during the intervals that we get as a 5 minute breaks and so we clearly tell them that if we want to win the game and if we want to not win, but if we want to perform well, we have to listen to the captain. Not only captain, what the team is required to do at the current scenario. So we have to just stick to it.
You made them focus on the game.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe a match where you made a critical mistake.
Not.
You don't remember your mistakes. Any. Nothing to the perfect all three.
No, ma'am. I was not perfect. But ma'am, I do not remember any my such major mistake that I have made in games or yes, ma'am.
And what criticism has your coach given you? Maybe repeatedly or maybe once?
Actually, we don't have coaches in
Not
Kendra
in
Vidyalaya.
school? No?
Kendra Vidyalaya.
There must be a sports teacher.
Ma'am, yes, he was sports teacher.
Must be
There was
overseeing your performance as a team.
no, ma'am.
No? So you guys were on,
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
own.
Yes, ma'am. We had our seniors with us who used to guide us.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am. And they used to establish the whole team. And then at the end, just we got approval from our sports teacher.
Still you guys perform so well.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. That shows your self-motivation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned here as Best Dancer Award in a group dance.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of a dance you guys perform? Especially you, if I ask.
Ma'am, folk dance of Maharashtra, that is Lavani, and ma'am, hip hop dance. Yes, ma'am. Western culture.
Which requires more energy.
Yes, ma'am.
Which requires more energy? Hip hop or
Ma'am,
Lavani?
Lavani.
Lavani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that you learned in your teenage or from childhood itself?
Ma'am, basically, ma'am, during Ganpati Puja, we have the biggest festival of Maharashtra. So, ma'am, each year I visit my village, Junnar, Pune. And, ma'am, there we have a lot of dance with my brothers, sisters, and not only with brothers, sisters, but there are communities there who do the whole puja there. So, ma'am, with them I learned it. Yes, ma'am.
Is cooking your hobby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me about what have you prepared? What is your best recipe?
Ma'am, veg biryani.
Veg biryani.
Yes, ma'am.
How often do you prepare that?
Ma'am, whenever my mom gets late for the school, from the school, when she comes to home, so I've already made the lunch for them.
Okay. Do you help her in cooking?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
chores?
I do.
You do.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many siblings do you have?
Ma'am, one elder sister.
Tell me about your three strongest qualities.
Ma'am, the three strongest qualities of mine, like I would like to mention, is my collaborative nature, and ma'am, my ability to stay calm under pressures. Ma'am, as a sports person, I would say, and the ma'am third quality I would like to say is taking initiatives.
So give me one specific incident each showing these strengths and qualities you mentioned.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as I mentioned, being collaborative, ma'am, during our basketball tournaments in schools, and not only in schools but college, ma'am, I have gathered people from different sections for trials for the basketball trials, and if I talk about the ability to stay calm under pressure, it is the right now moment, and ma'am, the taking initiatives. The incident I would like to mention is the pre-enrollments of our juniors in National Cadet Corps of our college. So, ma'am, at that time, I have taken the initiatives for their online enrollments, and yes, I have made it perfectly.
What do your friends appreciate about you?
Ma'am, my jolly nature.
And do your friends have the similar qualities?
No, ma'am,
They
not
also
everyone.
jovial? No.
Not everyone, ma'am. Some my best friends.
Okay. And what do they dislike about you?
Ma'am, what they dislike about me is, ma'am, sometimes in serious situations,
Yeah.
I'm not serious.
Okay, understood what you're hinting at.
Yes, ma'am.
So, who pointed out your biggest weakness first in life? Do you have weakness?
Yes, ma'am. I do have weaknesses.
Which is your strongest weakness? I will say, जैसे कहते हैं strongest strength के लिए बोलते हैं, मैं strongest weakness बोलती हूँ.
I'm
Which has
overconfident.
been in you for years and years.
Ma'am, overconfidence.
Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Who pointed out?
Ma'am,
the
my
first
father.
time? Father did.
Yes, ma'am.
In exact words, can you explain how did he say so?
Ma'am, when I got 91.2 percentage in my class 10th, then ma'am, after that for my class 11th, I chose ma'am PCM stream with computer science, and ma'am thereafter I was looking like yes, I have scored great in my class 10th, like above 90 percentage. It is good, and I will do the same for my class 11th and class 12th. So, but ma'am, for some reasons. My attention from studies was on my studies was not that good as compared to my class 10th, and I was more I was having my participation more in sports and other activities. And ma'am, at that time I remember in my class 11th I got 66 percentage.
11th is generally tough for everyone.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, after that result, I was demotivated for my class 12th. And at that time, my father told me that after 10th, you got overconfident and you must learn from the experience that you have gained now in my class, ma'am.
So this might be taken as a failure,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you learn from it.
Yes, ma'am.
So you wanted to join Air Force,
Air Force.
right? Okay. So can you name two newly inducted aircrafts
Ma'am,
in Indian Air Force?
ma'am, first one is the Rafale, we can say. The Rafale is the newly inducted aircraft, and ma'am, second one is ma'am C-130J. Hercules. Yes, ma'am.
Hercules. Okay, now explain India's stand on the LAC situation.
Ma'am, India stand on LAC situation. Ma'am, line of actual. So, ma'am, if we see the line of actual control scenario, ma'am, there is not good relation of China and India from very earliest, and so ma'am, the scenario on LAC is not good because ma'am, earlier we have seen the ma'am, I cannot remember the place where it happened.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am. The
There have been scuffles. in the
yes, ma'am.
past.
Ma'am, the place I am not remembering.
Now another question: the dividing line between India and China.
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
two. One in the east, another one in the west.
West.
Can you name them?
I'm in the west.
Towards Arunachal, if I say
Oh, okay, ma'am.
that line is called
Ma'am, ma'am, Aksai Chin.
towards
I'm
Aksai
guessing.
Chin is the LAC,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Line of action control.
Line of actual control.
But towards Arunachal Pradesh, can anyone take it? What's that line called? It is that line was made during that Britishers' time, and it was dividing earlier India and Tibet. Yes.
McMahon.
Exactly. Okay. So when you are asked about certain topic,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
you need to research more.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Ma'am, I'll do.
But then you had fair knowledge. I really appreciate that. And what about other things? What do I ask you? You say you want permanent commission.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that so?
Ma'am, there is no specific reason for that. But ma'am, I have seen my father has dedicated his life for more than 30 years in the Indian Air Force. And what he have achieved till now, what he have gained, the fame, the respect from his colleagues, from his juniors, from his seniors, and the life one would get from it. And that's the reason I want permanent commission. The experience that actually one can get from permanent commission is not, ma'am, that one can short service commission one can get from.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
In the next 5 years, I would say, ma'am, I see myself as a person who holds rank on his shoulder of Indian Air Force commission.
And what qualities of an officer do you already possess right now?
Ma'am,
Be it crisp, be it one word. Each.
I'm maintaining integrity. I'm being collaborative, taking initiatives. Yes, ma'am.
You could only name 3. That means rest of them you're supposed to develop.
I'm developing.
Okay. Maybe you're not able to explain properly,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
then I could see some other qualities in you also. You have good communication skills.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're still interacting with your friends of your school times.
Yes, ma'am.
That shows you're socially well adjusted,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
There are many. So introspect your personality.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है अपने आप को जानो, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to ask anything from me?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how was my interview?
It was wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, I was quite impressed after looking at your PIQ only.
Yes, ma'am.
So I wanted to meet you in person, and I got the opportunity.
Yes, ma'am.
सार्थक सोच रहा होगा उसके लिए opportunity है, but then it is something like both ways.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, I love interacting with kids who have lots of motivation. ठीक है, कुछ होता है, कुछ spark होता है उनमें, मुझे मज़ा आता है. ठीक है, they say ना, they energy जो है ना, वो travel करती है. ठीक है, आपकी एनर्जी कुछ मेरे में आएगी, मेरी एनर्जी कुछ आप में आएगी. ठीक है, ऐसे ही वर्ल्ड चल रहा है. पॉजिटिविटी फैलाओ, राइट? चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू साथ में. डू वेल.
Thank you, ma'am. Jin ma'am.